Hey there, foodies and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling how to pay with Venmo on Uber Eats in 2025. With the new updates rolling out this year, integrating Venmo with Uber Eats has become seamless, letting you use your Venmo balance for quick and secure food deliveries. Whether you're ordering late-night snacks or a full meal, this guide will have you set up in no time. First things first, make sure both your Uber Eats and Venmo apps are updated to the latest 2025 versions. Head over to your App Store, check for updates, and install them if needed. This ensures everything runs smoothly. Once that's done, open the Venmo app and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Payments or Linked Accounts section, and select the option to connect with Uber Eats. You'll be prompted to log in with your Uber account, so enter your credentials securely. After linking, switch to the Uber Eats app. Go to your profile, tap on Wallet or Payment Methods, and add Venmo as a new option. It might ask for verification, so follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. Now, when you're ready to order, browse for your favorite restaurant, add items to your cart, and at checkout, select Venmo as your payment method. Double-check the amount to ensure it matches your Venmo balance, then confirm the payment. Voila! Your order is placed, and the funds will transfer directly from Venmo. One quick tip. Keep an eye on any potential fees for using Venmo with Uber Eats in 2025, as they vary by location, and always use a secure network to protect your info. That's it for this tutorial. Paying with Venmo on Uber Eats is now faster and more convenient than ever. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy ordering.